sock hop. Ducks pull socks from a big sock box. Socks with stripes and socks with spots. Socks with stars and socks with moons. Socks with squares and socks with dots. Socks with cars and socks with spoons. Fluffle, Lacy, Jules Deluxe. Left sock, right sock, socks on ducks. Warm up, wiggle, stretch your beak. Duck sock hop comes once a week. The moon is high, the sun is low. The music starts, get ready, go. 3 ducks boogie, 1 duck rocks. 2 ducks stop and trade their socks. Ducks line up to dance in rows. They kick their feet and touch their toes. Ducks drop crumbs, ducks spill juice. Socks get sticky, socks get loose. Holes appear and they 3 socks heels. 2 cars lose their button wheels. 4 jewels scat. 5 stripes scag. 1 duck's ruffle start to drag. Socks go stretch. Socks go rip. Ducks teeter, tumble, twist and trip. With a screech, scratch, bang, the music stops, and ducks fall down in big duck flops. Ducks get band-aids, ducks get snacks, they wave goodbye with happy quacks. Flocks of friends march down the street with empty box and bare duck feet. But soon enough, ducks want new socks. They fetch their friends and grab their box. Then dance on down to the duck sock shop and count the days till to the next sock hop.